Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to report a problem in Snapchat. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open Google, and now from Google search we're going to search for Snapchat support form, and we'll choose the first option, which is submit a request Snapchat support, and we click on it. And now here we're going to choose the third option, which is I want to report a safety concern, and click on it. And here we have more questions, like for example, what are you concerned about? So for example, I can tell my Snapchat account. And here more questions, like for example, I want to delete my account, and these are more supportive information. And also let's go and open Snapchat, the app itself, and go and open Snapchat. And so whenever we open Snapchat, we can click on the message button down here, and we can choose any contact of these. So if I go for this one, and I click on the contact itself, and here hit these three dots and choose manage friendship. Here I can choose report, which is the second option. And so that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.